Hello everyone! Production of the Skoda Peaq electric crossover has begun in the Czech Republic. This large family model is available in versions with up to 299 forces of power and a range of up to 640 km. Assembly of the new Skoda Peaq has begun at the company's main plant in Mladá Boleslav. The production line was modernized, as it had previously been used to manufacture models with internal combustion engines. The price of the 2027 Skoda Peaq in the Czech Republic starts at 1.15 million crowns, 47,500 euros. The Skoda Peaq electric vehicle is available in 5 and 7-seat versions. It features a large main trunk with a capacity of 935 liters and a 37-liter front compartment. The crossover features a central tablet-style touchscreen with an Android-based multimedia system, and optional features include seat massage, a 755-watt audio system, a semi-autonomous driving system, and a panoramic roof with adjustable tinting. The Skoda Peaq crossover is available in rear-wheel drive versions with 210 and 286 horsepower, as well as a 299 horsepower all-wheel drive variant. The most powerful version accelerates to 100 km/h in 6.7 seconds. Thank you for watching.